In this video, you'll learn about the carpet layout setting options. The vinyl will have the same settings. Go to Settings, System Settings, Carpet Layout Setting. You can choose the margin, which will count the cut margin either by length, width, or both. The roll cut option you can calculate by layer or by room. The speed option is for how fast the computer generates your seams. You can choose optimized waste percentage, quick layout, or the balanced version of the two. You can tweak the cut margin, the maximum T-seam count, which is how many seams the computer will generate for you, whether to round up to pattern size, and if you choose not to round up, you can further give it a pattern match width and/or length factor, which will extend your carpet or vinyl by that ratio amount. In the advanced settings, you will find more options you can tweak. Most importantly, the roll cut roundup and the stretch rate. Go back and click Done when you're finished.